Hey guys, this is Mr. H. Hey, I wanted to do a percent word problem. Um, you should know how to do two-way frequency tables, but you should also know how to just do basic word problems and how to set them up. Because once you can come up with an equation, it's easy enough to graph it and find the intersection to determine the actual percent. So let's look at this question, and I'm going to show you how you should solve it. It says Bob Bashir has a toy car collection. He keeps some of his cars in a display case, and the rest are on the wall. So it's in two places. It's either in the display case or it's on the wall. It says that 136 of his toy cars are on the wall, and 15% of his toy cars are in the display case. So, what is the total number of toy cars in his collection? So, first thing I want to make sure you understand is we're looking for the total number of cars. They did not give that to us. So, that's what we're trying to find. So, but we got to be careful. They're mixing things. They said they gave 136 of his toy cars are on the wall. They're on the wall. And then 15% are in the display case. So if 15% are in the display case, that means that 85% must be on the wall. Okay? Because 15 plus 85 would give us 100. Okay, so now we're going to use this number, this percentage, to come up with our equation. So we're going to say 85%, 85 over 100. Now remember, whenever you get a percent, whether it's what percent or a number, it goes over 100. So this is going to be 85 over 100 equals, now it says 85% of his total cars, and we don't know what that is. That's what we're trying to find. So that's going to be X. It's going to go down here on the bottom. The of part always goes on the bottom. Now, how many toys are on the wall? Well, there's 136. So that is our equation. Now we have to solve it. Now we have to solve it. So this will be the calculator part. So let's get the graph. So press tab, it's already set. We're going to do 85 over 100. Well, I thought I was doing 85 divided by 100. Press enter. Boom, there it is. It's a horizontal line. It's pretty small. All right, and then we're going to press tab, and then we're just going to do tab, tab, and then we're going to do 136. Control divide. We need a fraction over X. Okay, that's what we want. Then you press enter and you get these red lines. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to zoom out. Let's do menu 44. I want to make sure. Yep, I think that's far enough. So let me press escape. I'm going to take these kind of out of the way. So now what I'm going to do is menu 64. And I'm going to start here at 0. I'm going to keep going until I see the intersection, and that is my intersection. So this is saying that I have a total of 160 cars. I have a total of 160 cars. So go to the iPad. That's what we write. We got 160 total cars. And if I do 136 over 160, that should be equal to 85%. And then if I do the difference, what's that? 160 minus 136, that'll be 24 over 160. That should be equal to 15%. This is the ones in the display. And this is the ones in the on the wall. All right, so you gotta be able to come up whoops, you got to be able to, you got to be able to come up with a equation based on what they're giving you. You got to be able, remember that the part always goes on the bottom right. If they give you a percent, you got to use it. And then you got to make sure you're using the right information, but that's it. Once you get your equation, go to your calculator, graph it, and that's going to be your answer. Pay attention to what you're looking for. In this case, we're looking for the total number of cars. That's why it's on the bottom right. All right, I'm going to stop this and I am going to post it.